So welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be considering the IPO of one company that is open for subscription and will close for subscription today. That is the company that I will be discussing is DOMS Industries Ltd. So the company is actually issues open from December 13 to December 15. So the price plan of the IPO is 750 to 790 per share, and the minimum lot for the application is 18 shares, and the minimum amount for the retail investors is 14 to 20 rupees. So regarding this company, DOMS Industries, they are actually a stationery. They are actually incorporated in 2006. They are a stationery art product company. They are engaged in the design, developing, manufacturing, and selling a wide range of products under the flagship brand DOMS. And they actually offer stationery and art materials to consumers, which are classified into 7 categories: scholastic stationery, scholastic art materials, paper stationery, kits and combos, office supplies, hobbies and art crafts, and fine art products. They explicit tie-ups with the Flair Group on the distribution and marketing of their products in South Asia, and they have a strong global multinational distribution network in 45 countries. They have presence in 45 countries like USA, Africa. They are presence in many countries in US, Africa, Asia Pacific, Europe, and Middle East. They have 13 manufacturing facilities in Umbergaon in Gujarat, and have one manufacturing facility in Bari Brahma in Jammu and Kashmir. They employ 50 personnel as part of the R&D and designing team, and they actually have regarding their financial performance. They actually had good growth in revenues over the years. In FY21 they had a total revenue of 408 crores, and they had a loss in FY21 of 6 crores. That revenue increased to 686 crores in FY22, and the net profit increased to 417 crores, and the revenue further increased to 1216 crores in FY23, and the net profit was 102.87 crores. And the first half they have the revenue was 764 crores, and the net profit was 73.91 crores. So for the full year they are likely to report over 1500 crores revenue, and the net profit of over 145 crores. So the net profit has increased from 102 crores to 145 crores this year as compared to last year, and from around 17 crores the net profit is likely to increase to around 140 crores. So there is a very good growth in revenue the company is reporting, and the net worth is also very strong. They actually have a net worth of over 397 crores at the end of FY23, first half of FY24. And the IPO price band based on the latest equity capital, and the EPS will be around 18.29, face value 10, and the price earning multiple will be around 43. So considering the very good growth, but the price earning multiple is 43 times, is that means that the issue is fully priced. But considering the very strong growth that is reported in the last 2 years, and there is a good demand for their products, so the IPO price band appears reasonable. And regarding the investor appetite for this issue, the issue is already oversubscribed over 655 times in the retail segment. It is already oversubscribed in the 41.58 times in the HNI segment at the end of the second day, and the current day market premium is indicating a premium of around 500 rupees. So based on the IPO price band of around 790 rupees, so we can actually expect a listing at around 1300, 1290 to 1300, anywhere between 1250 to 1350 we can actually expect a listing for this company. And most brokers have a subscribe rating on this IPO. 6 brokers have a subscribe rating on this IPO, and the review by Dilip Davda, they actually have a subscribe rating on this IPO. Ashika Research, Access Capital, Hem Security, SBI Capital, all have subscribe rating on the IPO. Regarding the review by Dilip Davda, they have a subscribe. This is one of the fastest growing stationery and material product company. They have got spectacular performance for FY22 to the last 2 years. So the issue appears fully priced. They have the recent growth prospects increase. They are bright prospects of future. So they are actually regular dividend paying company. They have wide distribution network, and they actually sell their products to 45 countries internationally, and they have over pan India distribution network, and they have a large number of the wide distribution network actually shows that they have 120 super stockists, 4,000 distributors, dedicated sales team, and they actually cover more than 1,20,000 retail touch points in over 3,500 cities and towns in India. And they are actually sold their products to e-commerce platforms, supermarkets, hypermarkets, mini markets, and And one of the research reports mentions that they have a good market share in their products. Like they are one of the largest, second largest player in the branded stationery and our product markets. The company's core products are pencils and mathematical instrument boxes. They have market share of 29 and 30%, and so that is mentioned in the research report. So you can actually go through all these reports and the different reviews in the different channels regarding their company's products, and they all have actually then take a decision on this company. So but considering the good growth this is reported, and considering the strong brand image and the demand for their products, I am actually expecting a very good listing for this company. Considering the good IPO response of the issues almost 55 times the retail segment, so I am actually expecting listing 1300. I am actually planning to apply for this IPO. So if you are also convinced, you can also consider applying for this IPO after reading the research report in this website zitoga.com, or you can actually watch different reviews by different analysts in the YouTube channels also, then take a decision yourself.